ingredients on this read that it says this product contains chromium compounds.
So the only reason that there's a warning label telling you all the heavy metals in those cast iron pans is because of a California state law that was passed and went into effect 2 years ago. So that law is called AB 1200, and this is a California state law, okay? This is an example of the California effect. Go back and watch that full video, but it's a woman who bought a cast iron pan at Walmart, and on the outside of the label it had all these toxic heavy metals like lead and arsenic and chromium, molybdenum, like all this gnarly stuff in it, right? And it's just right there on the label. And she's like, how could they be selling that? Well, the fact is that it always has been for sale. We've just never known about it. But because of this California state law that passed and went into effect 2 years ago, it mandated that every single cookware manufacturer had to state what hazardous chemicals were in that product, in that cookware, on that label. Okay. Now, originally it was only online, and then the second year after implementation, it has to be on the outside of the label. And so this goes for all cookware. And what's cool is that even though this is only a California state law, since California is so large, right? No manufacturer is going to have different packaging for different states. So this impacts everyone positively, right? But just to put this in perspective, the only reason that you even know what toxic chemicals like lead are going to come out of that cast iron pan is because of a liberal policy in a liberal state, right? Again, like there's all of these things. People like to shit on California, but there's so many things that we take for granted every single day, which, we deserve better as consumers. We should have lead banned from cookware, right? We should have those things banned, but federally they're not banned. However, at least due to California law, right? AB 1200 and Prop 65, at least we know what's in our products.